Hello and welcome everyone. So this is Heather Ali and this is my project submission for CS50 Web Development course by Harvard. So the project was to create a Google search engine. It will contain three pages. Number one, the main Google page. The second page would be of images. Third page would be of advanced search. So our main page has two buttons basically. Google search button and the I'm feeling lucky button. If I were to put anything on the input field, let's say horizontally, and if I put Google search, okay, the first result that I'm seeing is by Wikipedia. Okay, and if I go back to explore our second button, I'm feeling lucky, you would see that it will show us some kind of redirect notice. Alright, and the redirect notice also contains the same link as we got through the first button to the Google search one. So if I tap on that, it will take me to the Wikipedia page. Okay, time for the next page. Images page. You can see that the images pages are also representing in the address bar. It's here. Anyways, if I put anything like Zertali logo, for instance, and search on it, you will see that it will take me to Google Images section, and it will show me all the images. Okay, everything is up here in the image section. And let's go back since we are short on time. I do not go deep. If you visit the Google official page and if you tap on the image section, you see that there is this little tiny text over here which is apart from this Google image. It's not clickable, but this image is clickable. This text over here is clickable. So I try to replicate that as well, which you can see here as well. And you can see one more thing, that when you put your cursor over here in this input field, or if you try to write something, there's this kind of shadow that appears. So as you can see, if I put my cursor over here, you can see that there's this shadow appearing, and if I put my cursor away, it's also appearing, and if I erase everything, the shadow disappears. If I put my cursor, the shadow reappears. So that's it for the images page, and this is the button that will take us back to our home page. Okay, and lastly, we will explore our advanced page. So our advanced page will have some input fields, button, and two hyperlinks basically. So if I tap on any of these fields, you will see a blue outline which is replicating the official Google Advanced Search page. One moment, and as you can see, these four fields when clicked has a blue outline. It looks more neat. Anyways, I will put horizontally again. So there is some keywords, so everything with horizontally is highlighted, and you can see it here as well. So that's it for our project. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I would appreciate some praises. It's my first time on the YouTube. Wish me luck.